addition to the many standard reports in the K9ERP system, we included several report generators that allow you to easily create any report you need. Let's use a sales order report generator for this example. Simply go to Sales, Reports, Report Generator, and Sales Order Report Generator. For our example, let's create a new report. I have several sections in the report generator. We have their operators, we have columns, detail columns, report configuration options, input columns, and report columns. We'll go over each of these. The report columns are the end generator report columns. Whatever we add in here will show in the report. The input columns are input parameters for that report. Basically, what do we want to search by? The operators allow us to create our own expressions for that report based on any columns in the report. Let's create a simple one just to get an example of what we can do. I want my report to show these columns: customer number, customer name, the sales rep, the total after discount, and the total tax. But I want to add another report that tells me what I'm paying without the tax, or what rather I'm selling for without the tax, with a bit of a twist. So I'm going to drag these columns again into this element box. I'm going to have my total after discount. I'm going to add a minus operator. I'm going to add the total tax. I'm going to add the multiplier. I'm going to choose 20%. I create the expression. I simply drag it over to my report columns table. Now, for this report, I want to be able to search by the customer number, the customer name, and the sales rep. From here, I can give the report a name, and I can decide whether to make it a public or private report. I can also choose to make it inactive if we decide we no longer need this report. This is all optional. From here, I can go ahead and run the report, and I'll come up with this screen. If I simply click on Search, it'll run the report throughout the system with every piece of data that I have. If I want to filter it, I simply click Add Line, and my search fields are those three parameters that I chose as report options. In this case, I'm going to search by one particular customer. And my report will narrow down. As you can see, the customer expression does show up. From here, I can export my report to Excel or HTML. That's all there is to it. It's a very simple report generator, and we hope you enjoy using it.